coach, Coach George Allen. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach George, high expectations for tonight's game. #1 offensive team versus the #1 defensive team. What was it about Magnolia's defense tonight that made you uncomfortable?
I told the other players before the game that Magnolia likes to deny the passing lane. So we just have to counter that, and we just have to play through it. We just cannot sit around on offense against Magnolia because when they deny you, that's gonna ruin your offense. So which the players did naman. They were countering all of the denials of Magnolia.
Coach, veterans have been stepping up not only in San Miguel but throughout the league. Tonight, Chris Ross really exploded. Can you just give us a glimpse on what you think about his performance and what you have been seeing that just allows him to be this dominant?
Chris Ross has, I'm just very happy that Chris Ross has, just practices after he does his skill work after our practices. So there, you can see what happened. Every time he practices, I think he becomes luckier. So I guess his practice or his skill work after practice proved good today.
Thank you, Coach. CJ, naman kayo ng 9 at the first half after leading by as many as 20. Paano nag-iba yung approach mo in the first half and in the second half as you really exploded in the third and fourth quarters?
11 points, not 9.
11.
Yeah, yun nga. Nung namanga kami ng 11
I just
for third, mag-start yung third. Medyo tumaas yung energy nila. Hindi namin natapatan. So, parang yung momentum nag-shift sa Magnolia. So, ayun, yun nga, as merong mga veterans na sila Chris Ross, Marshall, talagang nakukontrol nila yung laro pag mga natataranta na yung iba. So,
8-0, no team has done this in 10 years. CJ, how did this game help you prepare for the physicality of what's to come in the next few games and in the playoffs?
For sure, yung target nasa amin yan. So, yung 8-0 is nothing. Kailangan namin sustain and maging consistent sa ginagawa namin sa practice and sa mga games. So, yeah.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Step back naman in person.
Coach, your next game is against NLEX, a team that is also
Hungry for that twice to beat. Yeah. I know it's as what I told you before we played Magnolia. This is also a team that is going for the twice to beat advantage. So. It's good. It's good we won now, so we just have a foot there, and we just have to think of NLEX on Sunday. That's a team that wants also to get the twice to beat advantage.
Coach, how satisfied is it that you started up well? May mga games kasi kayo na nag-aabol kayo in the second half. How important was that one to start off on a good note?
Well, as what I said, yung bad games, yung bad start namin is because of long breaks. When we played Terra Firma, I think we had an 11-day break. When we played, who was the next? Converge, we had a 7 or a 10, so a 10-day break. So we just tend to be complacent about it. But it's good that teams don't win sa first half. It's good we really bounced back on when we started bad those past 2 games. At least going to the second half, we just played San Miguel basketball, and the results were there.
CJ, first game against Magnolia since Game 6 of the Commissioners Cup Finals plus conference, and alam naman natin nangyari doon, naging finals MVP ka. Tonight, nagpakita kita score for San Miguel. CJ, is there any other motivation when you face the hard shot? Kasi it seems like every time you face Magnolia, you turn in a good performance.
Actually, sobrang challenging kalaban ng Magnolia kasi yung physicality, yung defense talaga, doon mo talaga makikita kung hanggang saan yung kaya mo eh. And ayun, siguro may mga times lang talaga na lucky lang talaga and nami-make ko yung mga yung mga tira ko. And syempre hindi parang gusto ko na maging consistent every game. Kahit sino man yung kahit hindi Magnolia, bibigay ko yung best ko. Bibigay ko yung game ko para manalo. And syempre ayokong sayangin yung trust nila coach sa akin.
Naramdaman mo ba mag-intensify yung defense ng Magnolia compared to yung Game 6?
Oo, first half pa lang, nalagod na ako eh. So,
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations.
thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Ha?